Hi. So our project is called Voyager Index, and it's basically a map that shows quality of life metrics, so people can choose where to either visit or live or go to. It's a travel map. A lot of the values right here that you see on the map already are just dummy values. Yeah, so we've got the map all set up. It's basically a Node.js Express server running open layers. And the idea is to have our main page basically be this map and filters so people can choose, okay, I want to live in a city with a lot of people or not a lot of people. And then these values over cities will change depending on what they have over here. So they'll have the population, internet speed, if it's a city, if it's an urban area or a rural area with a low population, is it close to the ocean, is it close to mountains, is it safe for LGBTQ peoples and women-friendly areas, that kind of thing. Yeah, so that'll be that. A big part of the project is getting the database set up because it has all these different quality of life metrics. So, internet speed, all that kind of stuff. So that's basically the part we're working on most right now. This map is okay as it is, but it'll change once we get the database all set up. So we have some links at the top. We have Voyager Index that redirects to the main page, as does this map button. And then database is just an area where we can look at some very early database results. This lists a lot of the countries that we have in the database set up already. And then this shows all the database tables that we have currently set up. Let's see, and then data article is an article run by Andrew, one of the members. He's contributed most to this, and basically just sets up, how we've collected the data, what sources we have them from, what SQL or SQL queries we've been running on the data to transform it for our map, and just a way to reproduce a lot of our data. And then cities is just a little area where eventually we're going to be able to click on each city and have a map or have a picture of the city and some information already set up. So you can, and this is just a prototype for that. So just a way for us to mess around with that. And then settings, I'm very excited about this. We have a theme selector. The current one is light. We can select dark, and that changes the map. Very nifty, and probably healthier for your eyes too. And then we have the source code. Let's go ahead and open that up in a new tab. So that's where our GitHub repositories lie for the database, the server, that's the map, the Express server going. Map dev, a place to experiment with different mappings, and then data wrangling, transforming a lot of the data we have into typically CSV, comma separated values files for easy input into the database. So yeah, that's basically what we have set up. And if you do want to check out this, there's instructions for setting up your own database and server. And that's what we have. So thank you very much for listening, and have a great day.